Through every discussion, every scenario, and every decision point, one message was made clear. When we stand together, the nation is stronger.
Sa kabila ng ingay ng politika at usaping destabilisasyon, patuloy ang pagtutulungan ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, Philippine National Police at Philippine Coast Guard upang palakasin ang ugnayan, koordinasyon at kanilang pagiging handa sa mga banta na kinakaharap ng bansa upang matiyak ang epektibong pagtugon sa mga krisis, kalamidad at konflik. Mahalaga ang sapat na paghahanda at maayos na koordinasyon.
Let us remember why we are here. Because in moments of crisis, our people expects us to rise as one. Because in times of danger, they look to us for protection, order, and hope. And because in defending this nation, its land, its seas, and its future, we are strongest when we move with one mission, one direction, and one resolve. This is the spirit of our service. This is the power of our partnerships. And this is what it means to secure the Filipino nation together.
Ngayong araw, formal na nagtapos ang kauna-unahang interagency exercise na nakatuon sa interoperability, pagkakaisa at paghahanda ng mga ahensya. Isinagawa ang pagsasanay sa ilalim ng Joint AFP, PNP, PCG Education, Training at Doctrine Cell. Dati nang sumasali ang PCG at PNP sa mga pagsasanay ng AFP, tulad ng Ajex Dagitpa at Balikatan. Pero ito ang unang pagkakataon na pantay-pantay ang lahat ng pagpaplano at pagbuo ng mga estratehiya.
So this exercise was conceptualized for a strategic but straightforward purpose to bring our institutions into a common operational framework where we think together, plan together, and ultimately act together. In a security environment that grows more complex by the day, whether in internal security, maritime defense, or multi-domain challenges, no single agency can carry the burden alone.
Ngayong taon, tabletop exercise ang sentro ng aktibidad kung saan sinuri ang command and control systems, intelligence sharing, rapid deployment at joint information operations. Ayon kay General Browner, simula pa lamang ito ng mas malalaking pagsasanay sa mga susunod na taon. Inaasahang mas palalawakin ang partisipasyon ng bawat unit mula sa tabletop exercise hanggang sa command post exercise hanggang field training exercise.
So as we expand to unit level and regional level participation, our coordination will only deepen. Our strategic preparedness will not only sharpen, our collective readiness to confront threats, foreign or domestic, will only grow stronger.
Hindi rin iniaalis ng AFP na isama sa mga susunod na taon sa kanilang pagsasanay ang mga banta sa seguridad sa mga nangyayaring kaliwat kanang kilos protesta ngayon sa bansa.
When we look at security challenges, siyempre hindi natin maalis na kasama yon. But it is not geared towards that solely. Because yung interagency exercise, it involves long planning, long concept development. So it was formulated way ahead. Wala pa yung mga developments ngayon, wala pa yung security, yung mga mass demonstrations ngayon that we are witnessing. Wala yun sa considerations namin before.
Samantala, ayon sa Philippine Coast Guard, magde-deploy sila ng mga K9, medical personnel at water assets sa paligid ng Malacanang at Manila Bay sa darating na linggo bilang suporta sa ipatutupad na seguridad sa Maynila sa isasagawang malawakang kilos protesta kontra korupsyon. Magde-deploy sila ng nasa 500 PCG personnel at kabilang sa kanilang babantayan ang area ng Malacanang. Sabi pa ng PCG, mayroon na rin silang contingency plan kapag mayroong manggugulo.
Yes, kasama po yan sa preparations po natin. We are thinking yung mga possible scenarios and we are in coordination with the Philippine National Police aside of providing as additional personnel po natin yung mga possible actions and response po sa mga posibleng scenario. So we are also taking in consideration of that.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.